Okay. Hey, so this is a video for teachers about how to create a group project for your students that you can also see. That way, if you create it, you're in it. Okay. So you want to click projects. And I have actually already created a folder. So if you hover over the plus, it'll give you an option of a new folder or a new project. I've already created like a 2019 folder, which is where I might want to put all of these projects. So if we use this again, it's not all junked up. So let me just make a project though. If you want to work on folders later, you always can. So create new project. I'm going to title it with the kids who are in this group, which I'm going to look up right now. I've actually made a little group here. So this one is Gabriel B, Tommy, Lucas, Francisco. Okay. Team activists. And I'm going to choose collaborative. Okay. And then next, I'm going to do invite with a link. Next. If you had some videos like that you made as a class that you wanted every kid to have access to, like if you filmed a class video, you could put it in there. But it's fine. I just want to click next now. Now it's done. I'm going to copy and paste this link into an email for these gentlemen. Okay, so this would be Gabriel, Tommy, Lucas, Francisco. Okay. Link to get in your WeVideo project. Okay. And I paste that in, and we should be good then. Okay. This is contingent upon them already having an account. I've created an email over here you can see on the left that I'm going to send out to students so they can go ahead and have their account ready, and then you can add them to their groups. But yeah, so that's what you should do to create your groups and send them out to students. That way, when you go to WeVideo, you can see where they all are in this project, right? So you could log in and see how many edits they've done and what they've uploaded, etc. And eventually, hopefully, it'll say the members there. If for some reason you make this and a kid lost the email or whatever, down here at the bottom is you can copy and paste that link. You can also manually add the members once they have created an account. So I'm going to send this email out to students so they can make accounts soon. Okay, thanks guys.